Yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a professional looking YouTube thumbnail. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin with the video. So first you have to have an application called Pixel app, which is available on both the iOS device and then the this thing and the Play Store. So when you have the application, you open the application. So I open the application, you have this message, but you have to click on allow and you delete this text over here, and you see these three vertical dot over here. Click on it and then select image size. So over here you have to change the image size to 1920, which is the width, and then the height to 1080, which is HD quality thumbnail. Then you press OK. So the size of this thing will change. So over here, this is where you have to start editing everything. So as you see this plus icon over at the top over here, you click on it and then you press from gallery. So when your gallery open, you go to your images and then select where your stock images are, the stock images that you want to use for a design. You select your stock images. Okay. Let's go to the gallery. So I'll be selecting this one. Now over here you have to resize the image to your need. So as far as I'm going to be creating a thumbnail for this video, I'm going to be using this stock image. You can find any stock image at all you want on Google, Google or Google Chrome. You download them and then use remove.bg to remove their background, and then you use them for your your thumbnail designs. So you have to adjust the size and then whatever over here. So you just follow how I'm doing everything and you get it. So you press over here and then you lock it down and go back to the gallery, your gallery, and then select another stock image. So over here I'll be selecting one of the thumbnails over here. Then I'll resize it. I'll make it to be small. Then I'll turn it in a different way like this. I'll go to the gallery again and then select another one. So you just have to follow how I'm doing this thing, the idea. You just have to get the idea from how I'm doing the thumbnail. Then you can do your own thumbnail. So this one you have to place it at the back. So you see this dot at the side over here. You click and hold and drag down to bring the thing beneath the image, one image beneath another one. So you have to adjust it. Okay. Then you go to gallery, select another one again. So you just have to keep on doing this like that, like this. If you want to add another image, you go to gallery, select another image, add, edit. So you resize it again. Yeah. And then place it over here. This one should be at the top. Yeah. And then you go to gallery again and then select another one. And resize it, turn it. And then move to the side over here and then bring it to the bottom of this one. So over here we are going to merge all the images to be together at one place, so that you will not suffer moving them one by one. So to be able to merge the images, you have to go to this place and then click on this menu over here and then select the images that you want to merge. So I'll be selecting the 4 images and then click on the third icon next to this thing, that pencil thing over here. Then they will ask you, are you sure you want to merge the selected object? Because after merging the selected object, there is no way of undoing it again. So you click on OK. Then it will bring all the images together at one place. Then you click on the mark check button and then select it. So I'm going to resize it. Now to bring this on to this place more, a little bit. So as you can see here, everything start getting to look good. So I'll have to make sure I align this correctly to the image. Okay, let's see. And then we load this one again. So you yourself, you just have to make sure you do everything to make it look good. So we are going to lock this one over here. And then the next thing to do over here is to go to the gallery again and then add, if you have the video that you are going to be making, if there's a logo about what you are going to be making, you then add the logo to the video. So since I'm making a YouTube thumbnail, I'm going to be adding the YouTube logo over here. You can add it anywhere you want. That the place that you think it will look good in the image, you add it over there. Then we are going to add text to the thumbnail. So over here I'm going to name it Create Professional. But make sure when you are naming it, the title should not be that much long because it will not look nice. Let's lock this one first. Go to the text option, the text color, we leave it on white. And then the font, we select what is this one? Chunk 5. We select font, which is the chunk 5. That font is bold and clear for everyone to see on the thumbnail. And then is make the text bold. Then you change, you allow enable stroke for it. The stroke should be black. Then you scroll back to the background. You enable the background and then change the background color to any color at all you want, but I prefer using background color of red, yellow and black, because those ones, they are usually beautiful on this thing, the thumbnails. Yeah, if you think the color is not deep, you can come to this side and then make it deep, like how I'm doing it. Okay, I think I have to change the title to create yeah, let's change the size and then bring it over here. Should be down a little bit. Then you add another text again. Create a professional YT thumbnail, which is the YT, which is the YouTube. On the same thing, you change the distance, the background to black. Make sure the black is deep. Yeah. And then we change the stroke. And we change the font to chunk 5. Over here, we enable the stroke again. We just go over the same steps. Over here, we are going to change the background color to red. Yeah, we change this stroke to white because the background color is red. Yeah. Oh, okay. We change the font to chunk 5, and then this one bold. We go back to the stroke, we change it to black. and then reduce the stroke size. Yeah, I think this one is good. And then this one, you move the thumbnail to the professional. Yeah, you're going to change here to the YT. And then when you are done, you go and lock all the tests and then add a background image. I'm going to be using this background image. So you resize it to fill the whole place. Then you go to this side and then move the image to the last bottom. Yeah, like this. And then if there's anything that you think is not nice according to the background, you go and lock it and then change. I think I made a mistake here. So I'm going to be resizing this. Yeah. So I think this one is okay. Even though it's not that much professional, but at least it's somehow okay to get you more views. So when you are done, you just have to click on this save button over here and then click on save as image. You change the format to PNG and then leave the dimension on the costume one you selected first and then click on save to gallery. Now our image is done saving. Let's go back to our gallery and check it. We go to here it is. So this is our thumbnail over here. So all that you have to do now is just to go and then upload the thumbnail to your video. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. If you have any further more questions, you can ask in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more updates like this. And if there is any video that you want me to make for you to understand what is going on on the internet, feel free to ask in the comment section. See you on my next video. Bye.